All right, so one of the skills we learned in this chapter is order of operations. So order of operations, you may remember, is that PIMDOS action. Just remember that if you're just in a situation where you just have multiplication and addition, multiplication and division, or addition subtraction, if those are your only remaining steps, those ones, you don't do multiplication before division. What you do is you work left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. So if you had a question like 3 minus 2 plus 5, the temptation would be to do 2 plus 5 first. But if it's just addition, subtraction remaining, you work left to right to get 1 plus 5 to get 6. All right, so the problem I got here is a little bit more complex. We're going to have to start inside the parentheses, so we don't care anything except for what's inside those parentheses. And within those parentheses, we want to do the order of operations. So we have 14 minus 3 times 2. So our first step is we got to do that 3 times 2. And we're just going to be really careful to bring everything down with us. So that's 30 minus 5 times 14 minus 6 squared. And we're still inside the parentheses, right? Still in that parentheses step. So that's 30 minus 5 times, that's 8 squared. So now that we've got this subtraction out here, but remember subtraction is all the way, it's going to be our last step. So it's tempting to do that 30 minus 5, but we just got to hold off. So we've got 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. And once we square it, we can drop those parentheses, and we just have that remaining. And that's 30 minus that. And now we got to do our multiplication. And I didn't make it easy for myself right here. We're going to have some big numbers. So that's going to be 30 minus 5 times 60 is 300. 5 times 4 is 20. So it's going to be 320. And 30 minus 320 is going to be a negative 290. And that's the answer.